The key to our success is the combination of grandfather traditions and ultra-modern technologies. More than 30 years of experience in the production of flour. $150,000 tons of annual exports. $1,300 contracts a year. 22 containers, 65 wagons per day of landing capability. More than 800 suppliers. 183 generates taxes. More than 700 workers and 5 active social programs. Our production facilities allow us to process more than 1,000 tons of corn per day. The elevated power of the Ukrainian flour milling company allows simultaneous storage of more than 300,000 tons of grain. Ukrainian flour milling company has over 10 years of experience in transnational partnership with such powerful market players as Cadil, ADM, Kernel, CHS, COFCO, Louis Dreyfus, Hakan Agro, Kalberg, Omnic. Near 88% of our products are manufactured using fortifications and supplements. The products of Ukrainian flour milling company enjoy a well-deserved demand on the external and internal markets. This is confirmed by such credible certificates in the world as ICO 22000 and Halal. The company also has extensive experience in the production of vitamin flour. And the geography of the export of the Ukrainian flour milling company includes more than 30 countries. Note that Ukrainian flour milling company is a long-standing leader in the field of flour exports in Ukraine. Ukrainian flour milling company, we are creating eternal values.